guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a month na ba or a week since I uploaded my last vlog and univlog yan. Pero right now, pupunta kami sa Baguio. It's my first time doon and kasama ko yung family ko. 2 days and 1 night lang kami doon. So, let's see. Ang gusto ko lang naman doon ay makabili ng gulay.
Ano mo nga, usog mo nga.
Guys, nandito kami sa Carinderia and kakain muna kami ng breakfast namin kasi di pa kami nag-breakfast. Hindi ko alam kung ano meron dito. Nakakatakot daw. Here guys, I was so amazed by this. Kasi paano yan? Paano nangyayari yan? Diba? And here naman, it's so lang. Siguro maaga kami pumunta kasi. And here we are in Mirador and it reminds me of the tourist spot we went to in Iloilo. If you have already watched that vlog, you'll know what I'm saying. Yun yung sobrang taas ng inakyat ko, hingal na hingal ako. Nandito na tayo sa Danshan. There. It's the park. Mag-lunch muna kami kasi gutom na kami. I ordered baby back ribs and fresh mango shake. I just want to compliment the Airbnb or hostel that we book. The view is so pretty. And I don't even need to say anything.
This is our view right now. Sobrang ganda.
We ordered food na lang kasi pagod na kaming lahat.
Meron pa, oh, yun, oh.
We are now here. Kakain muna kami. Before kami pumunta sa Dragon Castle, ito guys, bibidyohan ko. Sobrang tarik niya. There. Sobrang ganda. Diba?
Bukan kay Kapten. Ano ba?